Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this beautiful 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross LS. Starting off at the front, obviously being a near brand new car, I'm not going to spend too long on the actual condition, but I will show you some of the actual features of this beautiful vehicle. Probably one of Mitsubishi's best models in my opinion. Does have a very sporty look all the way from the front right through to the back, and it has got that very unique take on that dynamic shield look on the front end there. Have got the chrome Mitsubishi badging in the middle with the chrome grille and those really sharp headlights with the daytime running lamp running elegantly through the bottom of it. It does look absolutely stunning, and especially in this kind of lighting you can see it is an absolutely beautiful car. You've even got fog lights down here to cover you in the foggy conditions. Along to the first alloy wheel, as you can see, it is a beautiful design with that black and silver look to it, and you obviously brand new or near brand new tires on this vehicle as well. We've got the color matched side mirrors and door handles with the indicator built into the side mirror there. Now, being keyless entry, when you do press the button to lock the car, the mirrors do fold in, and when you press it again to unlock it, as you can see, they do fold back out. Now, quickly show you the driver's compartment because you may not be able to see it when we go inside the car, but really nice design on these seats with those cross-stitch kind of design to it. I will show you the rest of the interior when we actually get in, but something to note, you do actually get a very close edge for the driver's compartment, and sorry, all around the car, very close edge to the seat, so you're not going to get many scuffs along here, but the door itself does have that little lip on it just to take away from the overhang from the body. Now, the back windows do have privacy glass on them, but I would highly recommend taking advantage of the premium window tint we have to offer, because then you get your UV and heat, UV protection and heat reduction as well. The curves and edges all the way through this car are absolutely beautiful. You've got the tailgate with the split glass to give you increased visibility, and you've also got that rear tail light that just goes straight through the middle there. Does look absolutely incredible. It's a very sporty look from the back of this vehicle. You've also got the reverse parking sensors down the bottom, the rear wiper just hidden up under that rear spoiler there, just to keep the aerodynamics of this vehicle absolutely smooth. Opening up the back now, as you can see in the back here, we have got that cargo blind fitted, so it keeps everything you have in the back nice and private. And just under the floor here, you have also got that space saver spare. Close it up again, and we will keep making our way along this side. As you will notice, there are very sharp edges along this vehicle that is made to give it the best aerodynamics possible. Now, that's going to save you fuel and obviously keep the car running nice and smooth, nice and quiet on the road as well. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side of the vehicle, and in this beautiful blue, it is definitely a vehicle you are going to want to ask us about ASAP. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. So that's going to give you really good early-end torque and give you a beautiful smooth drive as well. Something you will notice, it has got that 3-point strut brace in the middle, just holding the chassis to get it together and giving you a very steady drive, and we're giving you the extra control around corners as well. You've got an ANCAP Safety Rating of 5 stars with 7 airbags. The power output is 110 kilowatts with 250 newton meters of torque. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 liters and will run on 91 fuel. You've got 7.3 liters per 100 for your combined fuel consumption, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 863 kilometers from the full tank. Alright, taking a look inside the Eclipse Cross now, on the driver's side door you do get all your power mirror controls. There is also a button that lets you actually fold the mirror in. On the door itself you've got all the power window controls. Now, they are all automatic up and down, and above that is the button for your central locking and your window lock as well. On the right hand side here next to the door you've got your forward collision mitigation distance control, lane departure warning and traction control buttons. If you want any more information on the safety features of this vehicle, please ask us about it, because we will go into in-depth detail about how it actually works. Just below that you've got a headlight adjuster which lets you change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your parking sonar if you want. On the right hand stalk you've got your indicators as well as automatic headlights and automatic high beams, and on the left hand stalk here you've got all your washer and wiper controls. The wipers themselves are also automatic. Now, behind the steering wheel you have got 2 paddle shifters. Now, that's going to let you switch through your gears manually when you are in sports shift mode or simply switches it into sport for you and lets you have the extra control over your gears. On the steering wheel, very nice leather wrapped 3-spoke design here with the piano black design down the bottom. Got your cruise control and speed limiter settings on the right hand side, and all your media controls and hands-free call controls on the left. We pan into the middle. The center of this vehicle is very loosely designed off a Lexus interior, so beautiful design by Mitsubishi, adapting obviously Lexus features, mainly being that pop-up display in the middle there, which when you go back home you have got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, FM radio, as well as your standard Bluetooth, audio, USB input, and all the rest of your settings as well. Now on the screen itself there is a touchpad down the bottom, which I'll show you in a bit, but if you scroll all the way to the end screen, you have actually got a tutorial which lets you learn the various gestures available with the touchpad. Down the bottom here we have got your climate control settings, so just setting it to auto and selecting your temperature will regulate the fan speed to maintain that temperature. Down here you've got eco mode, 2 USB ports and the 12-volt socket, as well as a little bit of storage to keep your phone. The shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, you can switch through the gears manually in sports mode with the shifter or with the paddle shifters. Next to that is the touchpad I was talking about earlier, so various gestures to let you easily navigate the head unit, and you've got some hard buttons as well for, once again, easy menu navigation. You've got an electric park brake and your auto hold. You've got 2 cup holders with some grommets in it, which lets you put different size cups in it, and that leather wrapped center console, which when you open it up you've got a little tray here for coins or something, and plenty of storage in there as well. I'm not going to spend too long panning around the interior, but you will notice that the design of these seats and the whole design of the interior is absolutely beautiful, very comfortable in the back seat for your backseat passengers. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Eclipse. A couple things I would highly recommend is please take advantage of the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork and protect you against a variety of environmental damages such as bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization and much more. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan, because that will add another 5 years to your new car warranty and protect you on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. There is plenty more value in that plan, so please do ask us about it, because we will go through the full list of inclusions and just help you protect your investment. Now if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and tailor a package to suit your needs, which will fit everything into your repayments as well. The last thing is, just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide, so that is plenty of assurance that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people, and we like to make the process nice and easy for you as well. So if you have any questions at all, please give us a call on 990-70555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.